Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. I'm here in my office with my multi-monitor computer setup and everything else. For those of you who've been following me for a while, have been noticed over the last couple months, my chair I had in here was getting noisier and noisier. Every time it would squeak, squeak, squeak. Now, of course, the fact that the grandkids would come over, and especially Danny, would start spinning it and spinning it. If one of his brothers was there, he'd put his brother in the chair and he'd just run around the chair spinning it as fast as he could go, for, until I told him to stop. He would do it all day if he could get away with it. Anyway, so I went by Staples today and they had a chair on sale for less than the one I paid for it. It was a clearance item or a discount item. Let me get the hat off there. So there it is, a gaming chair, and it's got a higher back on it, so that when I tilt my head back, it doesn't fall all over the edge of the chair, and I wind up leaning back real far. So I got this. We're going to see how this works out. It was $145, and even cheaper than the stuff at Sam's or Costco. Then I went over to Cal Ranch. Cal Ranch is, how to explain Cal Ranch? Well, Ranch should give you a good term of what they have, and they got everything a farmer or rancher could need in there. And I picked up these couple shirts here. These things were regularly $53.99. They were 25% off. But the pockets, that's one of the reasons I got it, was because of the pockets. Hey, my cell phone will fit into plenty of room to spare. Unlike the way Wrangler shirts are getting smaller and smaller, the last couple of Wrangler shirts I got, my phone will not even fit in there, and I can barely squeeze my wallet into it. So, and the other thing I got was because with this hat or my other hats, my ears stick out there. I've been getting sunburned lately, so I picked up a nice straw hat. So let's put this one on. Alright, yeah, it's a little goofy looking, but hey, it protects my ears and the back of my neck from getting sunburnt, and out there on the tractor so much, it's been getting sunburned a lot lately. So, it's only $13, so it's nice, it's airy, it's, it'll breathe, so I won't get too overheated. So that's some of the stuff I got today. Got a bunch more things for out there in the garden and in the lawn, for watering the lawn and stuff, so we'll be covering that in future videos. Alrighty, so that was just something I did here to make my life a little bit better here at the compound. Alright, jumping back in here again. Just show it. There it is. It's done. It's put back together. So that's going good. But I forgot to remind everybody. We now have memberships on the channel. This video will be for members only for about a week, and then I will open it up for the public to see, so they get a preview a week ahead of everybody else. Memberships are only 99 cents a month, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee anywhere. And if you get for a full year, it's cheaper than a lot of the specialty drinks at Starbucks. Alrighty? So take care. Don't do anything foolish. Stay happy. Keep adding to your preps. Plant a garden. Expand your garden. Work on planting a garden indoors. All right? See you around and take care.